Okay, do it now. Okay, you can do it. Alright guys, and this is a fire destroyer. Fire destroyer.
Move, Gabriel. Ese es grande. Probably have to move ourselves. Por si acaso.
It looks like it's burning this now. Cool. On my screen, it looks like everything's burning. Oh my god.
Does it?
Oh my god. That's what it did last time.
Right now, somebody has to jump it.
It's still not over.
Move.
Oh my god. Oh my god, again! Again, buddy!
You got this!
It did it again! I think it's over. It did it again! It keeps like appearing back up, right?
Yep.
That's so cool. It's wasting.
If it wasn't flammable.
I'm only gonna do one of the fire destroyers, I think. Or both. Oh my god, it's exploding everywhere!